Okay, here's a math problem that literally broke the internet. You ready for this? 8 divided by 2 times 2 plus 2. People were getting two completely different answers. 1 or 16. And honestly, the comment sections were absolute chaos. People were arguing like their lives depended on it. So what went wrong? Well, most people made the same classic mistake. They saw 8 divided by 2 times 2 plus 2 and thought, oh, 8 divided by all of this stuff. Like the whole thing was in the denominator. That gives you 1. But here's the thing. 8's not how math notation works. Let me walk you through this step by step because this is actually really important stuff. We use something called PEMDAS. You probably learned this in school, but maybe forgot. Parentheses first, then exponents, then multiplication, and division from left to right. That's key. Then addition and subtraction. So let's break it down. First, we handle that 2 plus 2. That's 4. Easy enough, right? Now we have 8 divided by 2 times 4. Here's where people mess up. Since there are no parentheses grouping everything together, we go left to right for multiplication and division. They have equal priority. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Then 4 times 4 equals 16. That's it. 16 is the answer. The big mistake? Treating 2 times 4 like it's all stuck together in the denominator. But math doesn't work that way, without parentheses. Look, this isn't just some random puzzle to mess with your head. This kind of thinking shows up everywhere. When you're coding, figuring out your budget, even in games. Getting the order of operations right actually matters. So, did you get 16? Or did you fall into that classic trap and get 1? Either way, you're definitely not alone. This problem has stumped millions of people. What do you think? Drop your answer down below. I'm genuinely curious how many of you nailed it versus how many got caught by that sneaky notation. And hey, if you enjoyed having your brain twisted into a pretzel, there are plenty more where that came from. Some of these puzzles are so tricky, they supposedly stumped Einstein himself. Hit that like button if this made you think, and I'll see you in the next one.